Tracker Center with a look outdoors. Hard to think that we're talking about fall when it feels so warm outside.
Yeah, and it's going to get hotter out there, Julia, for the first full days of the fall season. Now, fall kicked off just a couple hours ago, 12:50 a.m. And really, for today, we're looking at temperatures heating up compared to what we saw over your weekend. We're also seeing fire danger on the rise. A red flag warning going into effect at 1 p.m. this afternoon, lasting through 11 a.m. on Wednesday. And the big concerns for us, it's going to be very windy. We're going to see very dry conditions, humidity getting low, winds very gusty and out of the north. So breaking down what you could expect over the next couple of days. Winds sustained up to 25 miles an hour out of the north. Potential is there for gusts up to 40 miles an hour. We're also seeing very low humidity for the afternoons with poor humidity recovery overnight. That means 10 to 20% humidity for the afternoon hours, only rising to around 30, maybe 40% overnight. So it's going to stay very dry out there. These conditions are really problematic for man-made fire starts. So that's what we're concerned about over the next couple of days. Thunderstorms not expected to be a factor over the next few days. As far as what we're seeing this morning, on your way out the door, we're in the high 50s to high 60s in the valley right now. Along I-5, mid to high 60s, Butte County, high 50s at the moment. High 50s to low 60s in the foothills, mostly in the 40s in the mountains early on today. So you may want a jacket this morning. You're not going to want it this afternoon. Winds starting to pick up a little bit out of the north, up to 13 miles an hour right now in Red Bluff. We'll see stronger winds on the way for your afternoon, becoming gusty late this afternoon, subsiding a little bit overnight tonight for the valley, but out of the east, becoming a little gusty overnight. And then we do see those winds picking up again tomorrow afternoon. Satellite and radar. We saw some active weather rolling through mainly mountain areas for your Sunday forecast. Some of those sprinkles landed in northern Redding. Most of that active weather is now well off to our east. High pressure is building into the west coast. High means dry. That's what we're seeing in our forecast over the next few days. And take a look at your futurecast. High pressure keeping us sunny, keeping us dry through at least the end of this work week, but then this weekend, a huge change of pace on the way. High pressure moves back out to the west. We're going to see low pressure dropping down from the north. That's going to result in cooler temperatures and then a chance for some wet weather moving back in. How about that for your weekend, your first full weekend of the fall season, cooling down with a chance for showers on the way. High temperatures this afternoon, projected to top out in the high 80s to low 90s in the valley. So we're getting a little hotter out there for your first day of the fall season. High 70s to mid 80s in the foothills. 70s for the most part in the mountains, but some areas of Trinity County could see 80s later on today. Your Storm Tracker 7-day forecast, where your weekend is always in view. We're seeing 88 degrees with sunshine for Chico on this first day of fall. Mid to high 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. A steep drop back down into the high 80s on Thursday. The red flag warning is set to go into effect this afternoon, lasting through Wednesday morning. After that, fire danger not expected to be as problematic late this week. Mid 70s with some clouds on Friday, and then 60s for your high temperatures with a chance for showers this weekend. How about that for the first weekend of fall? Redding, 89 degrees, sunny skies for today. We'll be in the mid to high 90s Tuesday and Wednesday, flirting with triple digits on Wednesday. Back down to the high 80s and mostly sunny Thursday. Mid 70s with some clouds on Friday, and then high 60s with that chance for showers returning this weekend. So Julia, over the next few days, fire danger a big concern for us. Then as we head towards your weekend, conditions really cooling on down with the chance for showers returning in your extended forecast.